In this lesson, we will learn how to simply change your next desktop background of your computer, and this is coming up. Okay, as I said earlier, we are going to learn how best we can change our next desktop background of our computer. So the first thing that we have to do is that we will right click any empty space on our computer desktop. After that, then we select next desktop background where the arrow is indicating. When you click on it, you see the background will change to different color or different image. You can try this several times. It depends on you. So let's try. Okay, have we seen that now we have changed our first desktop background? Let's try the process again. Right click any empty space, then you select next desktop background. So the next one will come. If you prefer that one, then you choose. If you don't like, you can try till you select the best one that you want. Okay, this is also different. Yeah, so let's try more. Right click, then you select next desktop background. It's just simple. Yeah, let's try once again. Right click any empty space on the desktop. Yeah, so where the arrow is indicating, then you click on it, and okay, so this is the last thing that we have done. You can try more and select the best one that you want. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more educational videos. Goodbye.